The FDA is renewing a push for what they are calling a Quality Management Maturity Program, or QMM. CDER recently released a white paper highlighting their rationale for such a program. The QMM would be a rating system that would be made public. Certain standards would be set for organizations, and the hope is that products from facilities with higher QMM scores would be rewarded with a higher competitive advantage from consumers. There will be workshops held by the FDA at the end of May discussing the QMM and quality ratings.
The Pathwise Minute gives you the most relevant information in the life science industry to help you remain compliant, effective, and efficient. Subscribe to this channel, follow us on LinkedIn, and comment with what you'd like to see us cover next week.